Can you believe what I just saw? The entire logging process is like a well-rehearsed dance between humans and machines. The lumberjack, with the help of the harvester, brings down massive trees as if they were nothing. And then the machines swoop in, carrying away the trunks, while a wood chipper devours the small branches. The Scania 112 is an engineering marvel from the last century that continues to impress. Known for its robust durability and powerful performance, this truck has become a benchmark in fuel efficiency despite its age. Have you ever worked with one? The Gens 820 chipper is truly a masterpiece of engineering. Its powerful gears and the way it shreds massive logs into sawdust are undeniably impressive. Can you guess the price? It might be a significant investment, but it's absolutely worth it. Can you believe the sheer power of the John Deere 1110E? Those gigantic wheels. Tell me, what do you think gives them such incredible traction on a steep hill like that? This excavator doesn't mess around. Trees, bushes, stumps, it chews them up like a kid eating candy. What's even cooler is how safe it is, even when dealing with those big, tall trees. Can you imagine a machine that digs 8 meters deep with ease? The CAT 345BL. powered by 345 horses under the hood, does just that. It uproots even the toughest tree stumps without breaking a sweat. Pure magic when it comes to tearing out old tree roots. What's the toughest challenge you think it can handle? That white pine is way taller than I imagined. Can't help but wonder, does he ever get dizzy way up there? Just look at how he's handling those branches though. It's like he's done it 1,000 times before. This is what years of experience bring, efficiency and grace in every cut. As a forestry expert, if I were to select a harvesting machine, the Ponce Scorpion would be at the top of my list. Its innovative design complements its impressive performance of nearly 383 horsepower, allowing for extended harvesting sessions. It's like a super athlete in the forest. Just look at that. Those machines are like giants on the field, effortlessly pulling timber and hoisting it onto the truck bed with their powerful hooks. Wouldn't you agree that this level of efficiency is crucial for modern logging operations? This is a fascinating piece of machinery, a mini log tractor. Its unusual design isn't just for looks. It plays a crucial role in its functionality. The sheer pulling strength is remarkable, proving that size doesn't always equate to power. A 60-year-old spruce has been uprooted, revealing nature's unpredictable force. The Janserd 2045 chainsaw is now taking center stage, ready to transform this fallen giant. It's fascinating to witness how these tools can assist in such significant tasks.
Think so, man.
Take a moment to appreciate the engineering behind this wood splitter. The sharp, powerful cuts are mesmerizing, almost like an artist sculpting their masterpiece. And wait, I just spotted some carpenter ants. Can you believe those tiny workers are busy building their own nest right inside the log? Who else thinks the Kubota B2620 is a game changer for snow removal? I mean, look at how this compact machine is handling the thick, wet snow like a pro. The traction is amazing, and it's small enough to maneuver in tight spaces too. The cone-shaped wood splitter is an innovative tool in the forestry industry, designed for high efficiency in breaking down dense logs and stubborn stumps. Any professionals here who've tested it? What are your thoughts on its long-term durability?
So cool. He'll just put that screw head, it's a monster pine log right there, and it just goes right through it like nobody's business. And loose, it gets a little sketchy being kind of this close.
Have you ever thought about how much goes into restoring the land after harvesting? Let's chat about how essential this stage is. Who knew that after cutting down trees, the forest gets a makeover? It's like a spa day for the forest. Cleanup and soil prep help give those little seeds a fresh start. A skid steer equipped with claw-like arms improves its balance and allows it to pull large trees without difficulty. With this design, pulling a massive tree becomes a much simpler task. The machine demonstrates its efficiency and power with each movement.